ejatuato emre enaso no Roads Minister Nhyira governs Kwame Agboja enam a ohwe the big push project no ene akwan ahodo a yeye no man mu se be yakobedi hu nsem ebetumi akonkan na onim se ya across the country aban no ahyehye se wo mo eye na atumi aboa maka akobedi hu nsem no atumi akoyi na there were shocking incidents bia. In fact, Enra wonwana mutu mu epiepie mu a we need to talk about it because ye de sa aban beko but yesu ni aban bi ni said yesi ye no ma bi no ebe ma oman na kachi bra Facebook na be hwa de we ye minister techiman to solar route any ade no wonum ko fa so hwe se contractor no dwumadi a wodi no etesen. Now, when they went there, shockingly, in fact, Techiman, when she bole solar to even the upper west, a quainumu ewapa. Now, said your kind, so chimuna contractors, no bibema, ye can kilometer be near the Amasebe, Juman be contemtino, contractors, almost no, one doors, wage hana, we yaji hasa, who is a quino, one bit me. Now, Minister Koyeno, near a sea, bra Facebook beradi.
A month ago, sir.
A month ago?
Yes, sir.
A month ago. Did you receive any handing over notes from the program?
Yes, I did.
What did he tell you about the progress of work on this program?
When he came, we did a site visit. At that time, they were still doing the site count. Clearing hasn't already started. But then when I took over, we started clearing and then we've been working towards that. The progress was still low.
Was low?
Yes, yes.
So you should have reported that to me so that I will be briefed.
No, you see, I'm asking these questions because when we're coming, the clearing that we all witnessed doesn't look like clearing that was done, in say January or February. It looks like clearing that was done only about 3 or 4 days ago. And so
there are people in the community. When was this clearing done? So that we don't speculate.
Yes.
When did you see this road being cleared? Is anybody here who can tell us when? Where is the project manager?
Project manager.
When did you do this clearing?
We started on
April. This cannot be clearing that you did in April.
So from challenge 11 to challenge 5.
No, I'm talking about here. When did you clear this place?
This place was done April.
This place was cleared in April?
Yes,
this place was cleared in April.
Yes, we did in April. But
this cannot be April. Director,
no.
step back. Don't step back. No. This cannot be. Nobody's blind. This cannot be April clearing.
No, sir, it wasn't.
We did in April. Today we are doing a top-up clearing. That was what we are doing now.
I am asking you, when was this cleared? You said in April. Now you are saying that you did one and you are doing another one today.
Enti utie Nhyira governs Abuja and I can say Minister for Roads. Na utie contractor na sema o kano se ekwan no odwi so April. Ba minister mu ekodu no mu se kwan we de yedwi so nche eye fresh. Be some few days bi ani e na wodwi. Ba no otwa ntro. E na utie oba no okasa e no a. Na I think so urban roads director. Na o trese ekwan no kra no progress no wo fem chese adwuma no wo mu nheda enye no se de yese ekono aye slow na sa contractor ya wo mu gina no ho ni di nkomo yi contractor no agisika 66 million Ghana cedis enye se bia wo mu ma ni sika no wo de ni sika bi e na ekoye mobilization wo de ni sika bi na ekọ hyase e na okoyi wo wagisika ahye ni botom 66 million Ghana cedis. Ena onko site wonko ye adwuma ena sika ne hye ne butum se o de ginani o so de ye de obi nim de o di sika ne ye yama wo sika se ko site ko ye adwuma na Maripoma Enterprise Limited wonom nso another contractor Rose no wagege aboso saa ono nso ne site. This is what happened. Minister any the deputy Suini one more call, you know, say and they see what you know so.
Yeah, tell it. We went to Bono, how do you call it? Western North. You didn't even turn up on the site. You did not even turn up on the site when you took mobilization on that one as well. The equipment, in fact, you didn't even have a side cam. When we were going, the truck, you were trying to do something like this. The truck carrying your, how do you call it? Grader, even got spoiled on the way. They didn't even get to the site. Go to and see the people, the condition in which the people are in that section. How do you call it? Kojo. Why?
And duty minister governs Abaza, Nibu free. And I like him so much because or your minister on Trahoma Omu Nyadi Omu Pe and baby Asian when him say ba one the bebonity so. And that is leadership. Maripoma na Jessica. Yamani Sika says Sequina say Yejuma. And what Jessica no what so baby all crowd on fame Fidium Koy said the minister Nekan. And so what Jessica da. That is what is happening. Na adia ya me yane se omo ayebo mu di nyina no enye China fu omo nye Japan fu ena contractors ayakofo mu firi amanhodo so abawo. They are Ghanaian contractors, they are local contractors omo ye ne omo ne ukrumu a. And this is what they are doing. Yaji oman ni sika amanfo otwen se ye beye kwan ama o mafa so na mame ma statistics bi Ghana roads no ya kwan ya ye wo ha no. In fact, the recent report 2nd December 2025 the above bontin said Ghana ye kwan ye conditions no enye papa. In fact 47% pe ene ye good ene that screen is on 32% the beka ne say ye ho ne ho you obeduru na say mu atutu kakra puto ya pachi bi ni ade 21% the che say ye bodi ni kura enye kwan a ese nipa kura afaso etu kwan. This Parliament's Rules Committee, one of them we a Parliament House of Records. One of them no. It do have kwanya enya papa wo kromu ha. O de 21 no. Eka your friend is saying 32 no ho. Na chese yenya about 53%. Enya papa. Na sa kwanya enya papa no. Edo so chen de ye papa no. And this is why ye kan kwan ho nsem a ebi a wo de utikrum utikumase utinkran you wouldn't even feel it. Contractors here ye kan o masemi wo mu bia ni wo a wo te sa amia na wo mu ye kwan no o mu bia ni wo most of them etetinkran o masisi wo mu dan bi wo East Legon ebi wo chese ba bia am kwan ne ye de ade a na wo mu nenam ti they don't feel the heat amanfo a wo no mo ye kwan na ma wo mu feel it. And when they are even going to such places they don't feel the impact of these poor roads life also. That is the reason why they are treating us this way. Nanka contractor yama usika uye local contractor uye Ghana ni yama usika se koye kwan no sorry I'm say mama mobilization fund sika kra mo de fam no ma kokra din. Now they've given you money to do this work. Now at the end of the day, several months later, 20% in Pounrie. Bako de Yakra, the Infidi Ukrainic site won't put the account. And a quite way a choir, Satachima when she bolly solar road no. In fact, said the amount for Nepa was our quinason. Because a quining your Quintiam Roberts near the attach roads accidents, air cost or Quamu and Nipa a wood. These contractors are there at Jessica, but ye nyajuman. Yet ye de Monfa kwan ye no ma contractors, local contractors, ejuma no monfa ma local contractors no munyo ni ye hu dede. Ene aban no de ma local contractors ya. Subaya modern edini. Are you sick? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Ghana contractors bibia ye correct there. Musika maya eni entia eka eni enye say ena contract no cry dia ma foreigners and o mo beye munka bi maye ye ka bi mamwa. Is that how you treat us? Ghana contractors am road contractors na mo ajejeje akwan na mo wa ha no munka bi maye na ye tikasa fidie su ka bi mamu na ene aban de kwan na mamo se monye no se suni ban we sebe a nyansan nimu no mumu bi no Monfa nyansa nto se ye ne aye ni ye na kina yetumi abie mu bebre ama omo kura banya bia ye. There are new contractors omo ba omo akwan no kura omo anya bi contract no omo anya ba akokura anye not even a single kilometer. But we are fortunate ame the amount Maripoma Enterprise kura wo nya contractor ketwa. Why would you even behave this way? Na bede na kina bi yetumi defend mo say yemfa road contracts emma mu okromu a. That is a shame. And I'm sir. You be saying no from na. And we started, we cleared, and now we did this, and now we did this, and now we did that. One more can be. Me say, apart from a bang, and answer government, a was to be as a bit me Edin Juma, Ediabua or mine. One more, and said that man or man quenny mubebreni at him when so I come. And I like the attitude, any posture, any government saboja, Edishia woman. I like it. Asem we no kai. Jeff Pushimame or say woman tena ho nye din. Enhwe no contractor is bigger than the government. I will terminate you and we meet in court. Yes, terminate them. Jeffrey woman nsem. Na we kura ne ni se wo ka kire woman se wo ma wo time kakra. Na se wo ji because they are new contractors ah. Woman ho a woman pay 1 kilometer kura ya woman nya. There are so many contractors in this country. Ebinumo pe local contractors ah. Ebinumo paye. Baby won feel say ya buy na aba ye kwaje contract na kra na ya anye kra na omuntimi nya ye hwe ne na mo sa na manfo owu. The problem is that people are dying on these bad roads. Manfo owu o kwan fu we so na minya ye nna no na nko what terminate sika kra o ma je kra na asa age back because they never did anything. Kromafo na kire say wo munsi ho kire say minister e beba rounds no and wo mu di mirika no wo mbewura ho abetwitwa so they say won ba ho ba ko no ano no ni ati kroma nti be wie no yes aban na ba 4 years kwan o mo ye kroma nti mi anwie ekwan mi wa there are timelines on it and a local contractors e dey ma mo ebi nipa bonefo sem o mo ye nti because o mo yire no mo nkofa so bi o mo mani ho o mo dan ni nyina esisi nkran o mo bo o mo bra papa bi wo ho. Shame on you. These local contractors are mo di sa edwuma no mo ho aniwu na mo gu local contractors in any more say because ebinum ye good a omo ye better omo tumi aye say adwuma we eyie ba mo na mo nya akwanya mo akwaje ba mo ho ni wuo nti yentimi mo di nka sempa. Why should we do this to ourselves? Sika na ma yanka mo ye dede ka media ni nyina atem nka mo sika no so amonya adwuma. This nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. Danabere soldiers yeah womoye express road. Come and see how diligent womo dey here adwuma no any commitment womo dey here soldiers no bra Facebook be hade we soldier ni engineer na me kura de menya enya yi na aya yi a can far more of these civil engineers ni ade ade ni soldier yi mu ma womo kura anya ya kwan maye na nke local contractors ni kura yi mu free system no kura yi kwan na free mu nsem kura. Behajuma soldiers ne within a very short time. Behajuma soldiers ne then you are there saying what? Yama usika kwa yajuma na ye kokwasa. Come and see we express road no. Na soldiers no adwuma wo mu ni. CDS Chief of Defense Staff eko and okobisa wo de eko. And the explanations that wo de man rutumi say enche kra. Wo say about 100 kilometers no madu Kumasi. Into ma chom timafa ena wo mo other team no so na number bi yenti o mo kakra
proposed Accra Kumasi express route Sakala codes symbols are conventional, so the major towns along which this route passes or falls are Ablekuma, we have Adeso, we have Esamankese, the Subu.
Jeff, screen for me.
Ofuase, Jedemua and Sewua, which is in Kumasi. I would say that we are 5 weeks into the clearing operation. 2 teams have currently been formed, as I mentioned, with Team A heading towards Accra and Team Bravo towards Jedemua. And so,
enti ena waka no se wonu guso a wo mo ye soja ni ena wo kirechi bo ye engineer soja ni engineer ye do mo kogu mu no he machines e wo ene ade. And once the machines and everything was available, soja ni na etwi sa excavator we wonu mu twi ni kama e de clear roads no kama. And a CDS echo around so ko ye supervision ahwe adwuma wo mo ye ne ho na wa bo ma baso wonu ma clear within a short time. Oma twemu 17 point something kilometers ya baby omo ko start here no wo dey kwa and omo timelines. I know military so dey omo ye discipline they will be able to finish on that timeline. Now we kwa so omu ye adwuma. Anya wo local contractor akwaje contract na wakotena fie di sika no say wo dey issue dey mu say wo ye ne den you. Nobody knows what you are doing with the money. Then you don't go and do the work. Adianso no. Se soja fo ni betumi aya o de enya ne nkakra na nke yemfa ma o nchicheche omumu no omo nhwase enklekre mayen wo mo krekre wi a ni apɛ wo mo aye correct se ne foreign contractors ni bi kra ne de o ma ba no o ma boa military ni yetumi aya ade na wie nke no kra aye dance ye de ni two local contractors yi bia egu ya ni mu ase wazi. What is that? Ade no cook foreigners wa na mbuafu na mo kasa ya de ma mo so na mo ye de mo pe. Gavin Sabaja, you did well, sir. I attitude now what take say would be shia woman. And I like it the way you were speaking near deno. Can say so we end this ni kranwa contract no munjin free if the person doesn't meet the timelines and that must happen. Because party be a ban and crop for the contractor or meaning so my buying a was they don't do it. Be a man of your word for an from yes, our contractors we. Ebusunya meba.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5 FM.